Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. I would like to share the avocado salad recipe. I used 2 ripe avocados for our salad. As you can see in the video, let's cut them in half. Remove the pit and scoop out the avocado with a spoon. Or if you prefer, you can peel the skin. Then dice them into cubes. Place the diced avocados into a mixing bowl. I used 1/4 of a red onion because mine was large. You can use 1 small red onion instead. Then chop it into medium pieces, as shown in the video. I used about 12 cherry tomatoes. Alternatively, you can use 1 medium tomato. Dice the tomatoes into small cubes as well. Since cherry tomatoes are small, I quartered them. Also chop a few sprigs of parsley. Transfer all the chopped ingredients into the mixing bowl. The original recipe uses fresh coriander. I preferred to use parsley instead of coriander. You can use fresh coriander if you like. Juice of 1 freshly squeezed lemon. About 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. And gently mix the salad without mashing the ingredients. Then transfer it to a serving plate. Our salad is ready to serve with its amazing taste. I hope you'll try it and enjoy it too. If you watched and liked my video so far, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest.